He played chess in the park yesterday. He played chess in the park yesterday. When? Yesterday. Did. When did he play chess in the park? Yesterday. He played chess in the park yesterday. Where? In the park. Did. Where did he play chess yesterday? In the park. He played chess in the park yesterday. What? Chess. Did. What did he play in the park yesterday? Chess. He played chess in the park yesterday. What? Played chess. Did. Do. What did he do in the park yesterday? Played chess. He played chess in the park yesterday. Who? He. Who played chess in the park yesterday? He did.